yesterday's lecture, we have already discussed the mechanism of regulation of gene expression in yeast. ठीक है? And you know that yeast is an Ascomycetian fungus which exists in two different forms, and these two different forms are alpha yeast and A yeast. And these two different forms of the haploid yeast can change. That is, the alpha yeast can change into the A yeast. A yeast can again change into the alpha yeast. So these two forms of the haploid yeasts are interchangeable, and the mechanism of the conversion of these two forms in one another is genetically controlled process, and this process is brought about by a mechanism, by a phenomenon, and that phenomenon is known as the transposition. In the last lecture, I have made it very clear that the transposition is a phenomenon of molecular biology, in which you know that the transposition is defined as the change of position of gene from one side to another side on the chromosome, from one side to another side on the same chromosome, or from one chromosome to another chromosome. So this is very important. You have also to study the transposons and different types of transposon in the prokaryote and eukaryote, which will be studied in which will also be studied in this chapter, molecular biology. So at first, let us know that these two forms of the yeast, and haploid yeast and A yeast, and you have already seen in the diagram which I have shared with you in the form of a notes of the 4 pages, and that I have drawn a diagram, a sketch in which you might have seen that there are 3 sites: the HML alpha site and HML A site, and in the center there is in the central position you have seen the MAT locus. MAT locus is also known as the expression locus, and it is the MAT locus where the gene has capacity to express itself. Okay, whereas the genes present on the alpha locus, HML alpha locus and HML A locus, are not capable of expressing themselves. But both these form of the yeast, whether it is haploid yeast or alpha yeast, they have the genes for making both the alpha yeast and A yeast, but the nature of the yeast depends upon the gene present on the MAT locus. दोनों तरह के जीन्स है। अगर अल्फा ईस्ट है तो उसमें भी ए ईस्ट का जीन है, अगर ए ईस्ट है तो उसमें भी अल्फा ईस्ट का जीन है, लेकिन वह ईस्ट कौन सा होगा, अल्फा ईस्ट होगा या ए ईस्ट होगा, ये किस पर डिपेंड करेगा कि मैट लोकस पर कौन सा जीन है। अगर मैट लोकस पर अगर अल्फा जीन है तो हैप्लॉइड ईस्ट कैसा होगा, अल्फा। अगर मैट लोकस पर ए है जीन है तो ये ए ईस्ट होगा। और ये कैसे होता है, रेप्लिकेटिव ट्रांसपोजिशन। रेप्लिकेटिव ट्रांसपोजिशन इज ए रेप्लिकेटिव ट्रांसपोजिशन से होता है। You know that the gene alpha is if the A yeast is to be converted into alpha yeast, what will happen? The gene alpha will be a copy of the gene alpha will be made, and that copy will be will move to the, and you can say that will be transposed to the MAT locus by replacing the genes present there earlier, and now this yeast will be the alpha yeast. Similarly, if alpha is to be converted into A yeast, what will happen? A copy of gene A from HML A locus will be transposed to the MAT locus, and MAT locus where the genes present earlier, that is the alpha gene, will be replaced by the A gene, and now the haploid yeast will become the A yeast. So this is the mechanism of the conversion of the alpha yeast into A yeast and A yeast into the alpha yeast. This is the mechanism of this is due to the mechanism of transposition. This topic has been included in your syllabus because you have to know the role of transposition in the gene regulation. क्यों आपको दिया गया पढ़ने के लिए हाँ कि ईस्ट अल्फा ईस्ट में जीन रेगुलेशन कैसे होता है, इसलिए कि यू हैव टू स्टडी द रोल ऑफ ट्रांसपोजिशन इन द रेगुलेशन ऑफ जीन एक्सप्रेशन। तो ये अल्फा ईस्ट और ए ईस्ट का कन्वर्जन जो होता है आपस में इंटर कन्वर्सन, this interconversion is genetically controlled phenomenon, and this phenomenon is the transposition. So if this question, a very simple question is asked in your exam, sir, give an account of the regulation of gene expression in yeast, or give an account of the regulation of gene expression, or give an account of mechanism of the mating type switch in the yeast. Mating type switch in the yeast का मतलब भी वही है कि ईस्ट के दो मेटिंग टाइप है, अल्फा मेटिंग टाइप और ए मेटिंग टाइप, और ये दोनों जो अल्फा और ए मेटिंग टाइप है ये आपस में कैसे एक दूसरे में चेंज होते हैं। तो ये जो मेटिंग टाइप का चेंज है ये ट्रांसपोजिशन के मेथड से होता है, ठीक है। और इसमें दो तरह के लोकस होते हैं, साइलेंट लोकस और एक्सप्रेशन लोकस। तो एक्सप्रेशन लोकस जो मैट लोकस है वहां पर जब जीन आएगा वही जीन एक्सप्रेस होगा, और जो वहाँ जो ए लोकस जो HML अल्फा लोकस और HML ए लोकस है वहां पर जो भी जीन होगा अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस नहीं करेगा, ठीक है। तो ये ट्रांसपोजिशन के प्रोसेस से ही जीन का स्विचिंग ओवर होता है, फ्रॉम पोजिशन चेंज होता है, और that transposition plays a very crucial role and a very important role in the regulation of gene expression in the yeast. तो यही इतना ही इसी चीज को, you have to write all these things in 2 or 3 pages. I have already provided you the 4 pages sketching the diagram of all the mechanism involved, but you will have to write at least 2 pages on whatever have you learned. तो आपका ये असाइनमेंट आज का है कि आप ये जो हम पढ़ाए हैं आपको, इसको आप क्या कीजिए, फेयर कर और जो समझे हैं इसको फेयर कर